What's going on, everyone? Today we are checking out some inexpensive keycaps that you can find on Amazon for less than 25 bucks. The links for all the keycaps will be in the description below so you can check for specs and fitments. And at the end of the video, you'll see the RGB tests for all these different keycaps that we selected today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first up, we have the Aukey double shot ABS keycaps. Come in a really nice little box here. Aukey brand. I didn't even know they made keycaps, but they make keyboards, so why not keycaps? So inside the box we have, of course, the little warranty card here, give you a 24-month warranty. And with these keycaps, they're gonna come 104 keycaps to the pack, and they have a Fortnite theme. Not a big fan of Fortnite, but the keycaps definitely look nice, and they're gonna set you back about $24.99 on Amazon. They have 2 layers here. Very nice packaging. And inside the box, of course, you get 2 keycap pullers. You get a standard keycap puller and a wire keycap puller, and those are all the side printed keys there. So again, blank at the top, printing is on the side unless it has a graphic on top of the key. So like I said, these will set you back about $24.99 on Amazon. And these are double shot ABS. Said they have a graphic on the top and the side printed. So not a bad keycap set. So let's go ahead and check out what they look like on a keyboard. Okay, so here it is, the Aukey keycaps here. They're definitely a fingerprint oil magnet, but I do like the design. Even though I'm not a big Fortnite fan, I do love the design of the keys with the graphics on top, as well as the side printed numbers and letters there. I would have loved more graphics on the top, but I know the graphics correspond to an action in the game, so that's fine. And remember to stay tuned at the end of the video, I'll show you how the RGB looks. And I had no issues with fitment on any of my boards, but for $24.99, definitely digging these caps. So these are the YMDK PBT keycaps set. They come just in a plain old plastic baggie for freshness, I guess, in case you want to eat them. You want to make sure they're not stale. But these will set you back about $22.99 on Amazon. And they come with a standard keycap puller. And they come in varieties of 61, 87, or 104 keycaps, from side printed to blank. But these are a definitely nice set, very thick keycaps. So let's go ahead and check out these on a keyboard. So here they are, the YMDK PBT keycaps. This is the 61 key set. And they're very thick keys, very nicely done. And I'm kind of liking the colors, kind of reminds me of kind of like a Star Wars theme. I'm not sure why I see that, but for $22.99, not a bad pickup. And are you looking for some bling for that mechanical keyboard? I got just what you need right here. This is the E-Element Gold PBT double shot keycaps. These are going to set you back about $24.99 on Amazon, and the kit comes with 104 caps and a standard keycap puller. There it is. And these are going to fit most mechanical keyboards. These are very shiny. But let's go ahead and see how they look on a keyboard. So here they are, the E-Element Gold PBT double shot keycaps. These are very nice keycaps. They're a little thinner than normal style keycaps. Very shiny though. They look really nice. They do pick up fingerprints easy. You could probably see them in the video here. But for a keyboard, you're probably going to put on display, not maybe use too much. These are going to be an excellent set of caps. Like I said, these are the E-Element caps, and they'll set you back $24.99. Let's check out some RGB. So this is the Aukey 104 keycaps set. Of course, this is the Fortnite theme. And as you can see, the RGB comes beautifully through the keycaps with the little graphics on them. And of course, they're side printed. So very nice light coming through there. But of course, on the ones with no graphics, just the black ones there, of course nothing shines through there, but if you're needing to see those little icons there, makes it so much easier to see. So again, this is the Aukey double shot ABS keycaps, Fortnite edition. Okay, and these are the YMDK PBT keycaps. Let's see how they light up. So the light doesn't come through the caps as much as around, of course, the sides, making it look very nice. I'm kind of digging the way this looks with the light coming around those edges like that rather than the cap themselves. A little side view here, or is that bottom view? Top view. Very nice. Okay, and you can see the little lines of light right there on the keys. That's kind of common with some keycaps. Not really my favorite, but definitely very nice keycaps for you know, the price of $22.99. So definitely check these out. Okay, these are the E-Element Gold PBT double shot keycaps. Let's see how these light up, and they're beautiful. So for $24.99, I think by far this is probably my favorite keycap set. I keep hearing the song Bling Bling in my head as I look at this board. Even though it's my favorite keycap set so far, I probably can't use this keyboard on a daily basis because it'll just be fingerprint city. And I don't know if this gold will wear off over time. I'll definitely keep you updated if it does. But let me know what you think of these keycaps, or if you found any better, in the comments below. And again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get to typing.